Welcome to Roll for Sushi. Let's roll. Fisherman's inventory. 14. Unagi, eel. They had the pre-sliced one in stock today. It's saucy and delicious. Sushi polymorph. 5. Nigiri. On 10 to 15 grams of rice, we're going to squeeze, rotate, squeeze. Because the slices are so thin, we're going to just go ahead and place it on top like this. Mercers. 1. Controlled chaos. 11. Kimchi. Today we're using gat kimchi. It's mustard leaves. It's very fibrous with a strong taste. Because it's long, let's go ahead and tie it around our nigiri sushi. Let's trim off the ends. Beautiful. Finishing touches from the Magic Tavern. 5. Furikake. The nori and the crunchy textures should be a nice addition here. It looks very beautiful. Let's give it a try. My only concern is that I'm not the biggest fan of eel. I got sick in Kyoto once from it. Here we go. Hey, you know what? That's pretty good. The mustard kimchi is very strong and I think it helps me power through this. The unagi itself is well cooked. The sauce is sweet, very tasty. I think if you're a big fan of eel, this is easily an 8. I think the combination of the mustard kimchi and the eel, sweet, spicy, really tasty. But for me personally, I would give this a 4. Camera woman on the other hand loves eel, so let's see what she has to say.
8.
Wow.